Alright, in this video we'll be going over how to add one product by hand. So rather than doing a full product import with the data sheet, this will go over how to just add one directly onto your site. So the first step is through your admin menu, go through Content, Add Content, and then go directly to Product Display. If you click on Add Product, it's just going to take you to another random page with a link to Product Display. So just skip over to here. And then in this page, this is the product display, the wrapper, you could say, for all of your products. So the individual product itself, the variation is going to go in here. So if you're unfamiliar with the difference between a display and a product variation, pretty much, let's say the display is the front end, what your user sees, and then the product variation is all the information for the product. So if, for example, you have, here we're going to use, if you have interior kits, multiple colors, so let's say you have a gray one and a black one, so you could say interior kit, cool one, sure, for the title. This is going to be the title for the display. So when a user clicks on a product from your products page, this is going to be at the top of that page. And then the product itself, where you would add, first you pick one of them, so if you have the two colors, we'll start with the gray one first. You would click on Add New Product, and then you add all of your product details in here. So you add your SKU, the product title, so in this one it'll be, you could say black interior kit, cool one, or however. You have all of your options in here, all of the details. Brand will show up first for some of you. Under the category tab, you might have a separate brands tab, but it'll have brand up top and then category down below, where you can filter through the different categories, find which one you're looking for. If you keep going, you'll see all the options under images. This is where you would choose file, and then pick the file from your computer, the image for that product, and then once you click upload, that's when it's 100% in here. You'll see it pop up. If you just go to choose file and then once it populates in here, don't click upload, then it's not going to upload it. Wait for the whole thing to show up. Enter the YouTube video if there is one. You have a pricing option, your pricing tab, shipment, for fitment. Pretty much anywhere on your site where you see this circle loading graphic. Another place this is used is in the taxonomy manager when you're searching for a category or any kind of vocabulary term. So once you start typing, what this will do is it will just pop it up in a list, and when you see this, you'll remember to click from here so that it matches directly, and then you keep going with the rest of the options. But yeah, pretty much add all your details in here. And then when you're ready, click on Create Product. Now I'm not going to click Create Product right now because this is a live site and I don't want to add one just for the purpose of this video. But normally you would click on Create Product if you are creating it, and then you'll see it show up. It'll be listed out here in a row. You'll have like the image, the title, and then some basic details. It'll be about 5, maybe 6 columns. And then let's say it was the interior kit, and if you only had one variation, one product, then you're all set from here and you would just click on Save. If it is an instance where, let's say we just added a black one and we want to add a gray one, you would simply just click on Add New Product and then add all of those informations, all of that detail for the next variation, and then just change the color here to gray, or in the details for the product, you can put in the new details for that variation. But that, yeah, and then when you're all set to go, just click on Save. And if you're adding from scratch here, the product has never been loaded onto your site, then you're good to go from this point on. If you did manage to add the product onto your site before and you're troubleshooting right now, trying to figure out why it isn't showing up in your store, it's most likely because you haven't attached it to your display. So if you went through your store here under products and then add a product, you created the product, but now you need to attach it to a display, in which case you would just click on Add Existing Product and then type in that product title, and once you see it populate, just click on it and then Add Product, and then you would just save. That's pretty much all there is to it. Thank you for watching.